To change the font style on POCO M8 5G, we're going to start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, select display and brightness, and then move all the way down to the font settings. Inside we'll be able to find different font options right here on this list, and by default you will only see default and MI sans. To get additional options you will need to click on these three dots, and then you will enter font store. Now some of the fonts will cost you money, most of them honestly. If you want to get free ones, then go to the categories, for example, and then browse different categories and just look for the free fonts. So as you can see, there's some of the free options right here, so you can choose any of that, then download it for free. And if you've downloaded a font, it should show up on this list and you can choose it to be your default system font. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.